In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Following that, tap on Safety and Emergency. Select Emergency Contacts and click on Add Emergency Contact. Now tap on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. If you want to use this feature, make sure that this switcher next to Show Info when locked is blue. As you can see, all of my contacts were successfully added. To remove one of them, click on this remove icon next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!